Heading, singly linked list. Side, heading definition. First point. A singly linked list is a linear data structure in which each node contains data and a pointer to the next node. Second point. The last node points to null. Side heading, advantages. First point, dynamic size, memory can be allocated as needed. Second point, efficient insertion and deletion operations compared to arrays. Third point, does not require contiguous memory locations. Side heading, disadvantages. First point, traversal is possible only in the forward direction. Second point, extra memory is required for storing the pointer. Third point, searching is slower because elements cannot be accessed directly. Write program for this. Heading, doubly linked list. Side heading, definition. First point. A doubly linked list is a linear data structure in which each node contains data, a pointer to the next node, and a pointer to the previous node. Second point. It allows traversal in both forward and backward directions. Side heading, advantages. First point, supports bidirectional traversal. Second point, easier insertion and deletion of nodes. Third point, useful in applications such as browser history and undo-redo operations. Side heading, disadvantages. First point, requires extra memory for the previous pointer. Second point, more complex implementation than a singly linked list. Third point, updating links during insertion and deletion is more time-consuming. Write program for this. Heading, circular linked list. Side heading, definition. First point, a circular linked list is a linked list in which the last node points back to the first node. Second point, there is no null pointer at the end of the list. Side heading, advantages. First point, traversal can start from any node. Second point, useful for round-robin scheduling and cyclic processes. Third point, no need to restart traversal from the beginning after reaching the last node. Side heading, disadvantages. First point, traversal may enter an infinite loop if not handled carefully. Second point, more difficult to implement and debug than a linear linked list. Third point, detecting the end of the list is more complex. Write program for this.